Welcome. Today we are unpacking mixture of agents, often shortened to MOA. It is a simple but powerful idea. Instead of asking one large language model to answer your question, you ask several models, then have another model combine their answers into one stronger final response. In this video we will cover what it is, why it works, how the layers fit together, real examples, the frameworks that support it, a tiny code sketch, when to use it, and the trade-offs. First, let's be clear about the problem it solves. A single model, no matter how good, has blind spots. It can miss details, make a reasoning slip, or phrase something poorly. Mixture of agents borrows an old idea from machine learning called ensembling. When you average the opinions of several independent thinkers, the random errors tend to cancel out and the shared good ideas reinforce each other. MOA applies that wisdom to language models. So what exactly is a mixture of agents? It is a layered pipeline of models. In the first layer, several models, called proposers, each independently answer the same prompt. Their draft answers are then passed to the next layer, where more models refine and build on what came before. Finally, one model, called the aggregator, reads all the proposals and writes a single, polished answer. Think of it as a panel of experts plus an editor. Let's walk through how it actually works, step by step. You send your question to, say, 3 different proposer models at the same time. Each returns its own draft. Next, you build a new prompt that includes the original question plus all 3 drafts, and you feed that to the aggregator model. The aggregator is instructed to critique, merge, and improve the drafts, producing one answer that is usually better than any single draft alone. A key insight from the research is something called collaborativeness. Models genuinely get better when they can see other models' answers, even from weaker models. The reference answers act like hints. A surprising result from the original MOA paper was that a stack of smaller open-source models, working together, could match or beat a single top-tier model on several benchmarks, often at a lower cost. You can also stack more than one layer. In a multi-layer setup, the refined answers from layer 1 become the input to layer 2, where another set of models polishes them further, and so on. Each layer tends to raise quality, but with diminishing returns. Most practical systems use just 2 or 3 layers, because every extra layer adds more model calls, more latency, and more cost. Let's make this concrete with an example. Imagine a customer asks a complex legal-style question. Proposer 1 focuses on the facts. Proposer 2 catches an edge case the first missed. Proposer 3 writes in clear plain English but skips a detail. The aggregator sees all 3, keeps the strong facts, includes the edge case, and writes it all in plain English. The final answer is more complete and better written than any single model produced. Now, which tools and frameworks help you build this? You can wire it up by hand with the OpenAI or Anthropic libraries and a few parallel calls. Orchestration frameworks like LangGraph and CrewAI make the layered flow easier to manage. Together AI published the original MOA recipe and offers ready examples. And any router or gateway, like Lite LLM, helps you call many different models through one consistent interface. Here is a tiny mental code sketch. Step 1. Define a list of proposer models. Step 2. Send the same prompt to all of them, ideally in parallel using async calls so you don't wait in series. Step 3. Collect the responses into a list. Step 4. Build an aggregator prompt that says, here is the question and here are several candidate answers, please synthesize the best final answer. Step 5. Call the aggregator and return its output. When should you reach for mixture of agents? Use it for high-stakes, open-ended tasks where quality matters more than speed, deep research, complex reasoning, drafting important content, or hard-coding problems. It shines when you can combine cheaper models to rival an expensive one. Avoid it for simple, fast, or high-volume requests, where the extra model calls just waste time and money for little gain. Let's be honest about the trade-offs. The big costs are latency and money. Calling 5 models instead of 1 is roughly 5 times the spend and can be slower if the calls aren't parallel. There is also a subtle risk. If all your proposers share the same blind spot, the aggregator may confidently repeat a shared mistake. Diversity of models matters. Mix different providers and sizes to get the most benefit. Let's recap. Mixture of agents runs several models as proposers, then uses an aggregator to merge their answers into one stronger result. It is ensembling for language models. It can make small models punch above their weight, and it works best for high-value, quality-first tasks. The cost is more calls, more latency, and more spend. If you found this helpful, follow for more plain English breakdowns of modern AI. What would you build with a panel of models? Let me know in the comments.